Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to cross out your text. That's pretty much it. So first of all, let's type something, right? Nothing really happens. I'm going to send it in. It's not really, doing anything. My text is normal, but I want to have that cross out effect on it. So to have that cross out effect, I'm gonna say something like cracked. And now since I want that cross out effect, I'm gonna highlight it. Once I highlight it, you'll see this icon right over here. It's beside the italic one. Once you press on that, you're gonna get these two consoles on two sides. I don't really know what you call it. Normally in game you use that button for opening your console, which is why I like to call it the console key. So once you do that, you just want to press on enter, and that's it. And if you don't want to highlight, just press on this twice, right? And type in hello, and then press on the same icon twice, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't really know what to call this key. It's if you have a full keyboard or a 10 keyless one, it should be right below your escape key. If you have a 65% keyboard, it should be above your delete key on the right side, or it would be one of the function keys situated with the escape. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.